Welcome to day 6 of the 7-day income system sprint. By now you have a full system, but systems only work when they are used consistently. Today we built your daily rhythm. This is where income becomes predictable. Most beginners, they build a funnel, post a few times, start a couple conversations, then they slow down. Not because it's not working, because it hasn't exploded yet. Income doesn't explode, it compounds. Momentum is quiet at first. This is your daily rhythm. 1 clear post, 10 meaningful comments in your niche, 3 real conversations, and 1 follow-up from previous conversations. That's it. Not chaos, just structure. If you block 1-2 focused hours per day, do this. 30 minutes content creation, 30 minutes engagement, 30 minutes conversations, 30 minutes follow-up. You now have a daily income engine. Small daily actions create large long-term outcomes. Do not measure your success only by sales. Track activity. How many posts this week? How many conversations? How many link clicks? Activity leads to data, and data leads to improvement. Improvement leads to income. Which content type got engagement? Which conversations converted? What questions keep coming up? This makes you smarter each week. Imagine doing this for 30 days. 1 post daily, 3 conversations daily. That's 90 conversations. Momentum is math. Most people quit before the math works. Today I want you to decide, will you commit to 30 days of consistency? Not perfection, just consistency. That's how real businesses are built. Comment below, my 30-day commitment. This is where builders separate from browsers. Tomorrow we bring everything together and activate your official launch. So let's build.